Some plasmids may have only 1 or 2 copies per cell, whereas other may have 15 to 100 copies per cell. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट हाईलाइटेड है जैसे कि ओरिजिन ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन, सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, क्लोनिंग वेक्टर्स, रिकॉग्निशन साइट, एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस, इन सब के बारे में इनकी डेफिनेशन और कौन कौन हैं उनके बारे में पता होना चाहिए। उसके बाद है बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज, एक एंजाइम है, ठीक है, जिसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है कि रिकम्बिनेंट और नॉन रिकम्बिनेंट के बीच में इंसर्शनल inactivation of the beta galactosidase gene and the colonies do not produce any color. These are identified as recombinant colonies. Bacterium tumefaciens, a pathogen of several dicot plants, is able to deliver a piece of DNA known as tDNA to transfer normal plant cells into a tumor. Retroviruses in animals have the ability to transform normal cell into cancerous cells. Tumor-inducing TI plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens. DNA is a hydrophilic molecule, specific concentration of a divalent cation such as calcium, which increases the efficiency with which DNA enters the bacterium through pores in its cell wall, incubating the cells with recombinant DNA on ice, followed by placing them briefly at 42 degrees Celsius heat shock and then putting them back on ice. Microinjection. Recombinant DNA is directly injected into the nucleus of an animal cell. High-velocity microparticles of gold or tungsten coated with DNA is a method known as ballistic or gene gun. Last method used disarmed pathogen vectors which, when allowed to infect the cell, transfer the recombinant DNA into the host. Recombinant DNA technology involves several steps in specific sequence such as isolation of DNA, fragmentation of DNA by restriction endonucleases, isolation of a desired DNA fragment, ligation of the DNA fragment into a vector, transferring the recombinant DNA into the host, culturing the host cell in a medium at large scale, and extraction of the desired product. Purified DNA ultimately participates out after the addition of chilled ethanol. Small chemically synthesized oligonucleotides that are complementary to the region of DNA. Thermostable DNA polymerase isolated from a bacterium, Thermus aquaticus, which remain active during the high temperature induced denaturation of double-stranded DNA. Processes include separation and purification, which are collectively referred to as downstream processing.